Hi everybody, we've been given a system of equation. The first one is AB is equal to 2, B positive C is equal to 3, CD is equal to 4 and D positive A is equal to 5. We are expected to find the value of A, B, C and D. All of these values have to be found, and you can take this as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4, and we are expected to solve the system. So I'm going to show you how to get it solved. So foremost, what I will do is I will consider equation 2, and then I will express this for C. So it means keep C over here on the left side and move B to the other end. So you got 3 negative B. Let me name it as 5. Next, I would like to consider 4. 4 is D positive A is equal to 5. I will retain A on one end and move D to the other end. So I now have 5 negative D. So this is what I've got. Now I would like to make a small correction here. Now instead of having C, what I will do is I will express it with B on my left side. So I want to have B and I will move C to the other end. So it's going to be B is equal to 3 negative C, and that would be my 5. Now why did I do this? Because I would like to utilize equation 1. So let's go to 1. Now from 1 you got AB is equal to 2. So I would substitute in place of A, I'll substitute 5 negative D, and in place of B I'll substitute 3 negative C is equal to 2. Now let us distribute. So this is going to be 15 and negative 5C, negative 3D and positive C times D is equal to 2. So this is what we have got. Now C and D, so let me rewrite it like this. 15, let me push this 2 to the other end, so it's going to be 15 negative 2, and I will have a C and a D here, and I will move 5C to the other end followed by 3D. So let the system be on the right side. But CD, what is the value for CD? CD is equal to 4. So 15 negative 2, 15 negative 2 would give me 13, followed by CD which is equal to 4, and then you got 5C positive 3D. So I can rewrite this as 5C positive 3D is equal to 17. So this is what we have got. Now clearly you can see that CD is equal to 4, so we will utilize that information. Since CD is equal to 4, let me write D to be equal to 4 over C. So I will take this value for D and I'll substitute it over here. So this is going to be 5C positive 3 times of 4 over C is equal to 17. We will get rid of the C, and that is achieved by multiplying throughout by C. So this is going to give me 5C squared positive 3 times 4 is 12 is equal to 17C. So I can move the 17C to the left. This would give me 5C squared negative 17C positive 12 is equal to 0, and I can use the quadratic formula. So this is going to be positive 17 plus or minus root of 17 squared negative 4 times A is 5, C is 12 divided by 2 times A is 5. So this can be further simplified as 17 plus or minus 17 squared is 289, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 12, that's going to be 240 divided by 10. 289 minus 240, this is going to be 49. So 17 plus or minus root of 49 divided by 10, this is going to be 17 plus root of 49 is going to be 7 divided by 10. So this is 24 divided by 10 or 2.4. This is one value for C. The other value is going to be 17 negative 7 divided by 10, which is nothing but 10 over 10, which is nothing but 1. So therefore we got C to be as 2.4 and 1. So two values we have got. And with these two values we are in a position to extract all other values. So let me show you that. So first we would achieve the value for D. Now since CD is equal to 4, I've got the value for C. So if we were to substitute 1, therefore D will be equal to 4. This is one value. The next value C is 2.4. In fact, if you want, you can substitute it as 2.4, or you can simply substitute it as 24 over 10. It's up to you. So if you were to substitute D to be as 24 over 10, in fact C to be as 24 over 10, this is going to be 24 over 10 times D is equal to 4, and therefore from here D can be rewritten as 4 times of 10 divided by 24. 4 divides here 6 times, 2 divides here 5 times, 2 divides here 3 times, so it's 5 over 3. So you got two values for D, which is 5 over 3 or 4, and for C you got two values. Now we are expected to obtain the values for B and for A. Now let me use this to calculate A, right? We know that D positive A, it's given in the system, is equal to 5. Now if we were to use 4 here, this would mean A is equal to 5 negative 4, therefore A is equal to 1. This is one value. Now if I were to use 5 over 3, 5 over 3 positive A is equal to 5. So therefore A is equal to 5 negative 5 over 3, which is nothing but 15 negative 5 over 3, which is nothing but 10 over 3. So therefore we got two set of values for A. So A is 10 over 3 or 1. Now we got the value for A, we got the value for C, we got the value for D. It's time that we get the value for B, right? So how do we get it? Either you can use AB is equal to 2, or you can use some other system which is present in the given problem. So what I will do, I will take A as 10 over 3 times B is equal to 2. So therefore B is equal to 2 times of 3 divided by 10. 2 divides here 5 times. So B is equal to 3 over 5. This is one value. And the next value, AB is equal to 2. I substitute the value of A as 1. And B would also be extracted in this like fashion that we have done for the other things. So from here clearly B is equal to 2. So therefore the values of B are 3 over 5 and 2. So just to sum up, the values for A, 10 over 3 comma 1, I mean 10 over 3 comma, you can either write it like this or you can write it like this, 1 comma 10 over 3. The values for B is going to be 3 over 5 comma 2. The values for C, 1 comma 24 over 10. As I mentioned to you, 24 over 10, you can write it as 12 divided by 5. It's up to you, or you can rewrite it as 2.4, because since 2 divides 24, 12 times 2 divides 10, 5 times I've written it like this. And finally the value for D has been found out to be 5 over 3 comma 4. So we have completely solved the given system, and let's move on to the next question.